Got questions about affiliate marketing? Find your answers here. Affiliate marketing can employ a lot of different techniques depending upon how you want to promote your business. You know that it's the type of program you enter into that will affect your image, along with having an effective strategy. Take some time to effectively promote yourself and your business, using the tips below. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. When taking a chance on affiliate marketing, it will be beneficial to seek out and sign up with affiliates that will provide you with the products and service you will be selling. Signing up with different affiliate networks will provide you with many sources of income. Rather than signing up with the first affiliate program that comes along, conduct thorough research to determine which affiliate offers products that you can stand behind. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. It is important to always disclose your affiliates right from the start. This will give your readers a sense of who you are and what you are about. They will also not feel surprised or manipulated when they see the advertisements from those campaigns, and you may end up bringing more business to those companies. It's true that your online business should speak for itself, but using affiliates can help take your business further. You can always improve upon your affiliate marketing strategy to help boost your reputation, traffic and sales, and hopefully, these tips have given you advice on how to do that more effectively. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.